to the live Bully Outdoors. We have Brandon in the background here. We're at the bluegill pond, so let's see what we can get. Hopefully it gets, I've caught some nice huge bluegills that can't even fit in one hand. And this guy's caught a nice 4 pounder last year here, so hopefully we can catch him again today. So we're going to spend a couple hours here at the pond, and you're going to spend it here with us. So stay tuned. Oh, dude. Nice.
Nice little sunfish there. Bluegill, sunfish, hybrid. That's actually a hybrid. That's a fish. There it is. Very nice.
Oh, it looks like you swallowed it.
And that's the ripping lips.
Look, that's the definition of choked it. No, I'm just kidding. You don't want to. Bluegillies don't want. You don't want to choke bluegillies. So it means your hook set was off. Way too long. Nose. Nice. Double. Doubled up. On bluegillies. Look how fat these fuckers are. These are nice and fat. Oh, this one's something much bigger. Oh, it's just a bluegilly. Just a fat bluegilly. This one pulls some back. Look at his fatty.
And that's a bass, folks. Get it in here. Get it in here. Increase your tension. Get it in. Get it in here. I think we gotta increase your stop.
Oh, no, don't touch it, don't touch it.
Go. Get it up here.
And it just broke off.
Grab the lip. Grab the lip. That is a. I believe that's probably a 4. Look at that, folks.
Fuck yeah, get the scales in there.
There, smile. Hold her up. Hold her out. Yeah. There you go.
Check this out, guys. Just caught him on the top lip only a little bit. Love it. Love it.
Where's the scale?
Oh,
Beautiful. 244.
Check this out, guys. 244. I'm pretty sure I caught the same guy once before, but we're aiming for that 4-pounder. That's probably 5 pounds now this year.
We just got it. She's lovely. And the release.
There it is.
Very nice.
Great. Appreciate it. Oh, it pulled so much gag. It was so nice. It felt so nice. That's why I brought this rod. Oh, he got off right at the bank. That's funny. Another one. Another nice fatty. Jeez. Just kidding on that. Nice. Another nice fatty. Nice. Nice. Oh, I got one too. Doubled up again.
Bro.
Another nice little one.
Still one.
Oh, right at the back.
That was a fast.
Was it?
Yes.
Shit.
Adults. Time for another afternoon special with Bolio Outdoors and the Pond Slayer.
The Pond Slayer, yes sir. Yeah, I can agree to that. I'll agree to that. You're unorthodox, but you got some fucking big fish. You got big fish.
Fish on. I need to get more than 4 this year.
For what, bass?
4 pounds.
Oh yeah, I know.
I need to get past.
My PB is
You're on.
250.
You got a fish on.
But but I am in the market to beat your 4-pounder though. That's my goal anyway. Like as soon as I'm not even gonna lie, if you're not with me, I'm fucking FaceTiming you and be like, check this shit out! It's like fuck you! Just kidding.
Yeah, I believe that.
If that kid threw in, he would have caught that.
It's not bad.
Like, look at the color in that bad boy.
Hang
So pretty. So pretty. Got him. Caught him on the outside of his lip.
Interesting.
Look, come on, look. It's like,
Oh man.
look at this weird, catch. I don't think they would say that's illegal. It's illegal catch. You didn't really get him.
I believe that's considered a snag.
If we were free, it would be that's a snag. So no points.
It's better than weights.
Yeah, it is. Fatty.
That's a
Jeez.
straight cherry
That's
pick.
enough to go home and eat.
Not for me.
That's big enough, though. There he is. Another one. Nice little bluegill. Hey, what bud? This is why I love bluegill, man. Because you can miss 2 and get 1 still. That's fucking funny.
Did you admit? Did you? You didn't break your rod, did you?
No, it's not broken. It just came off.
I thought that was a fish.
That's funny. That's funny shit, buddy. On live too. That's awesome.
That's even better. Dude, I just got robbed again.
Got it.
Very nice. You got a nicer fish.
Barely got him. Barely. He just on by a hair of his lip. Dude, no, I didn't get to show you to the camera, fucker. Ah, shit. Oh, I let go too. You got him again. Not the bass, but man, look at his hook set, man, perfectly, just perfect, straight out the nose. Nice.
Wow, that's a pretty good sized bluegill. Nice color.
Oh, he's pissing on me. You fucked it into the back of the head, fucker.
We almost went to the hospital there. That would have sucked. You know what they say, if you're bleeding, it's a good day.
Why not the...
I think I got some red hair with that. You know, I say you need more Cabo. You need more water. There it is. That's a bass. Well done.
We're off again.
Damn it. About time. Yeah. Yes.
Yeah, plastic bag?
Yeah, of course. And I have wipes.
Awesome, awesome.
But we don't need all that much.
on, just one more and I'll leave. One more and I'll leave. Brandon's waiting in the car already. The pond slayer. Brandon, the pond slayer is already in the car. Finally. Alright, now we get to leave on a good note. Last pass. Last one. Give it a break. Break it or not. Alright guys, I really hope you enjoyed that today. I did catch a couple. Oh, hold on. There we go. I did catch a couple, a couple bass and a lot of bluegill. So I hope you enjoyed that. So we will see you tomorrow. We are going to go for catfish. Hopefully, I wanted to go for catfish today, but you just wanted to catch some fish. And this is where we came because it's guaranteed almost at this spot because it's a small pond. But anyway, so you guys know that Brandon, my buddy, is going to be part of the Bully Outdoors community. He's going to be starting his own channel or fishing platforms. So stay tuned for that. He'll be all in my descriptions and stuff like that. And you guys can follow and subscribe. So if you could, if you're not subscribed yet or following my TikTok, please subscribe, please follow, and we'll see you next time. All right, guys, keep on fishing.